Hey everyone, I'm Nissa with Synapse Software, and I'm here to show you how to use Web Help Desk and set it up and go through all of your records in Cortex. So first you're going to start on this data sources screen and you'll click New Data Source. Since we're doing Web Help Desk, I'm going to go right to Web Help Desk and start that there. I'm going to just call it Web Help Desk Demo, and then you can have whatever description you want. I don't need one. And then when you go over to this database tab, you'll want to connect your database through a connection string. So I'm just going to paste mine in, and I'm going to click Test Connection. Now you can see that my database is connected perfectly, it's all good, and so I'm just going to hit Save. I don't need to do any other setup here. Now it'll have populated over in the sidebar here, so I'm going to click over here. And I can see my main two pages, search and browse. So I'm going to start in search, and I'm going to just do clients and add condition and city equals Boulder. And then I hit search, and now I see all of my records where the city is Boulder, and maybe I decide, I actually love this search so much and I'm going to want to come back to it without having to type it all in again, so I'm going to save my search and I'm going to call it my Boulder search. And you can select whatever visibility you want. I tend to just do me, and then you hit save, and then you'll go back to your search page and it'll be saved right down here. And if you don't really know what you're looking for yet, you could just kind of have a vague idea of the record that you want to find. That's what the browse page is for. And let's say I want to look at my categories, and then they're all just right here. And you can click in to a record and see all of the information about it. And yeah, that's the Web Help Desk connection. I hope that was helpful.